Hello, everybody. Welcome back again for a Trade Talk segment with CTC FM, powered by AMarkets. Today, we are in episode 2, where I'll be your host as usual, Boboi CTC. And today, our guest, of course, Denis from AMarkets. So before we go further, I would like to remind everyone, I would like to remind our viewers and audience who hasn't participated yet with AMarkets Ramadan contest. Do check it out. I already posted the links in the description below, as well as in the comment section. Do check it out. There's a lot of offers and opportunity for you guys to actually join and earn some duit raya and spend with your families this festive season. Do check it out. And if you want to know more about AMarket as well as you want to open an account with AMarkets, we also provided the links in the description below. Do check it out. And if you have any question, suggestion, or anything that you want to know more about AMarkets, especially in general, in regards to their vision and mission or product and services that they do offer, do also post in the comment where we'll be checking it out and try to answer you guys with Denis here in the segment. If you have problems in constructing your questions in English, don't worry. Just put it in Malay and I'll be helping you. So kepada sesiapa yang mungkin agak sukar untuk bertutur dalam bahasa Inggeris, hanya type je dalam bahasa Melayu dan saya akan cuba translatekan untuk tuan-tuan dan puan-puan sekalian. Okay. So we're about to start the segment. If you guys are here, I would like to say thank you for supporting us, for showing your support in this trading industry, trading community. This is what we are all about, our vision and mission, bringing together the people of our industry to make it more merrier, to ensure that we are friends, we have a healthy relationship among clients, brokers, BDMs, and everything. So make sure you guys do subscribe to our channel for more exclusive content revolving around financial instrument trading. These contents are all free. They are supported by our partners like AMarkets. We bring it to you guys free so that you guys can plan your trading career. How do you guys want to start your businesses in regards to financial instrument trading? And do also share our segment today. Just click on the share button below and you can copy the link or straight away share to all of your social media platform. You can share it on your WhatsApp group, Facebook pages, and even as sending text messages to your friends to join in, because we are about to talk about some of the spiciest, or I wouldn't say spiciest, interesting topics that we have today, which could be an opportunity for you guys to start your affiliate or partnership program with AMarket. So without further ado, I would like to introduce once again my good friend, our handsome gentleman here today, Denis. So how are you doing, Denis?
Hi guys, glad to see you again. First of all, the lovers and the followers of the CTC radio. I'm happy to stay here. It's almost my third time, Boboi, am I right?
Yeah,
so it's already a long trusted story. And being a friends, guys, I was really surprised today. I didn't know about it, but Boboi made a wonderful, extremely exciting surprise for me. The personal name jersey t-shirt of the CTC family. So it's a big love from my side to you guys. Thank you for this. I'm really impressed. I'm really happy to get this, and I hope it will be good symbol of our friendship, cooperation, and industry trends to discuss together with the regulars of this relation, guys, together. So glad to stay here with this wonderful studio with you today, and let's talk about the most spicy subject. I know you prepared something interesting for me. I'm ready for you.
All right. So as you can see just now, the jersey that Denis showed to you guys is actually our exclusive 2023 home kit, the one that I'm wearing as well. So this is we call it as the symbol of our community as well. So
it makes sense, guys. Believe me, I know.
Yes, it does make sense. All right. So without further ado, let's jump into our topic today, where we will be concentrating or more focusing on the IB and affiliate programs that is offered in AMarket. So as you guys know, especially our seasoned traders, as maybe not so for the newbies, those who just recently got into trading, but this is an opportunity as well for them to actually learn there are other opportunities that you can earn money other than purely trading, which is doing IB or affiliate program. So let's talk about the vision and philosophy that you guys have in A Markets in regards to your partnership program.
Yes, Boboi, it's a very good question, to be honest, because the A Markets as a company is built around the philosophy, because many companies trying to make some very impressive motto or messages on their landing page and the website. And of course, sometimes it's really true, sometimes it's just a marketing campaign. But in the markets, within all these years, we have real philosophy to be the company who can shift expectations of all our clients and creating the fan of the company, like it was done before with the Apple, for example. It's also get the philosophy. That's why this brand is well known and well recognized globally in any country, in any mind of the people. This is the same story we would like to do in our company. The same goes for our partners and clients. But if in case we are talking about partner here, of course, we understand that you need to open the doors for all type of the partners. It doesn't matter how mature they are, how well experienced, and how they have high potential in terms of their community, because they can learn more. They have this desire, and we are happy to be with there. That's why, if in case we are talking about newcomers who just come on the road of affiliates, for those who want to be independent in terms of his own online business, but he doesn't know where to go, how to do. In this case, we offer different tools, education, guidelines. We have special IB portal dedicated only for the partners that contains several articles, how to start, how to use Google and SEO methods, how to use Facebook and other social media, how to prepare semantic core, how to identify your portrait of the potential clients in future, how to use different metrics and plugins in terms of e-commerce or digital marketing. So,
these are all provided by A Markets.
Yes, we have all this information just for those who still trying to identify themselves. Because, for example, they can learn more, but they don't know how to do. But they understand that they have some kind of community, they have interest to go deeper to the online sphere, to digital marketing. And of course, in this case, we should guide them people, because many people use the wrong way. That's why they've been upset. They say it's not my story. However, they was on the one step closer to gain their success story. And of course, with the regards to success story, we also share the people from different countries we have right now, the young guys who was really mature, and they share their success story, how they came to the financial market, how they came on the road of affiliates, and how they earn first income with their community, how they were educated with the different methods, article, and how a market support team helped them to achieve the first results. And day by day, they grow more and more. And right now, these people have extremely big amount of recognition, reputation. They are very mature. They already have their own courses. They already educate other guys. And we are really proud of this. So it's like a so-called academy.
Yes. And I think I've heard about that.
Yes, exactly. And this makes sense. This is all that unites our main core of philosophy: be transparent, safety, stable, high-tech company. And that's why it's not only the essential part. Of course, we really happy to see professional partners. It can be big companies or mature guys who have EA personal providing system. Those who have their own academies and their mentors, they have own base camps, or maybe they have own channels with the signals or with the different analysis tools for their community. Of course, for these people, we also provide different range of support and technology, because we are very flexible. We can provide different promotion. We can provide different model of hybrid remuneration ideas. We can sponsor their community in social media. We even can invite them to our team and be a guest, like I'm sitting with you right now with the open microphone to share their success story and promote their brand, because we are open-minded for the successful story delivering. Because many companies, they hide their partners because otherwise they can be
they are afraid might get
hired by other
stolen.
brokers.
Yes,
Exactly,
hired by other brokers.
But in this case, we understand if partner already came to us and we profiling him, we exploring him, we identify his strongest points. We understand if he has the same philosophy like we have, and so definitely he will stay with us for the long term. And we are not afraid that he will be hired by other companies. However, we understand that the market is really wired. It's crazy. So sometimes it's a big challenge and big competition.
Yes.
This is why how we prepare and create our own family of partners, those who are really part of our team. What is the definition of partnership? It's a real win-win story to rise common results together. Of course, with the joint profitability, because it's about business. But this is the business with the human face. This is what we are proud of. That's why this partner staying with us for the many years. We have a case, the partner who works with the markets more than 15 years. Try to imagine.
Oh, from which country?
This is the guy from CIS, as far as I remember.
Okay,
but
CIS,
still with us. And right now we also have many successful stories in the Middle East with the same case, and the people still grow in their community and their reputation with the collaboration with markets. And I'm definitely ensured, know about it, that very soon in Malaysia we will do the same story here with the same philosophy. We just use our methods of work, our personal attitude, and our passion, let's say. That's why this is our target, this is our plan, to create a really trusted community of the partners here in Malaysia and nearby countries of Southeast Asia, because Malaysia, it's like a good hub for business, for staying, for the whole Southeast Asia, because here we can deliver our excellent services for Indonesia, for Vietnam, for Thailand, for Brunei, of course, for Singapore. But of course, the methods are quite different. The audience are different. They have different preferences, different mentality.
Yes.
And we are ready for these challenges. We know how to pack it to the success story in these countries. Just need time for this. If we are talking about conception, I think that's what we have. We're trying to shift expectation. We try to grow them. We're trying to be closer with them every time. From one side, it's very simple words. I think any broker telling about this, but we are trying to do it in real fact. That's why I'm staying here. That's why we deliver many courses, budgets, personal experience, educating, personal meeting, and of course we adapting the product. You remember last time?
Yes,
I told you how much work we did before just for the Malaysian market.
All the research beforehand.
In terms of the product, and our well-known common friends from the industry helped me in this case, and I really appreciate for this. I really respect the partner who share their minds. Sometimes they, like I said before, educating us, they're helping us to be more closer to the market.
From what I understand, the thing that you said just now is a somewhat of a confident booster, especially for those who has experience, the seasoned traders. Because lately, especially in Malaysia, we've heard stories of company brokers. They do tend to change their rules in order to secure these partners, which somehow relegates their own risk management, which later on become hard for them, hard for the partner as well. So in regards of risk management, I believe that you guys do have that in order to ensure that the partnership stays healthy and long-lasting.
Absolutely right, Boboi. It's a very popular question from the partner when they come to the company. Okay, guys, how much can I earn with you? How much can you support me right now? And with the whole respect to this partner, I'm really sad to hear this, because with this model, they not protect themselves on the long distance. And I will explain why. Because once partner comes to the broker and have, let's say, greedy ideas, he want to do faster. Okay, we understand him. It's about business. But in this case, we're trying to explain him how he can be profitable if in case he will use our mathematic risk management and ideas related to the IB structure of remuneration. It's so-called, we not given a goldfish, but we give golden fish and rod, how to do it. So we're trying to educate him, we try to protect him, how we can do it. With the special recommendation, with the special limits for the, let's say, tradable bonuses. Or we can explain him that if in case broker give you, let's say, $30 per lot, however spread is 15 only, how it's possible to rise the rest 15. So we ask them, do you understand the model of this broker? Do you understand how they execute their clients and how do they work with the risk management on the retail clients? And if in case partner understand it, so he calculates all our offers, and believe me, the offers are really amazing. We will talk about it, I think, later. And once they analyze all the package they have, support on the kickstart, support on the intermediate results, support when they are already on the big road with us, But the main thing on each step, we monitoring, analyzing their trades, their traders. We analyzing their turnover. We analyzing the portrait of their clients, and we analyzing how they're doing their business. Let's say in offline, in online, because we also should control it. It's about their reputation firstly, because if in case they do some not correct points, but maybe they don't understand it, the clients will come to them and ask not comfortable questions.
Yes,
that's why. That's why once we profile in the partner, we first of all care about himself, about his business, and of course about our results in the future. That's why markets still have excellent reputation in all the 16 years.
The most important part
is the success story, of course, because it's not only connected with how you are driving in other countries, how you collect deposits. It's about how you control your risks, how you control your greediness, how you control reputational risks, how you control, of course, our team, our inside team, people who work with the markets. It's also specific people. We also sorting them out, let's say, because you should have the same energy, the same mindset in partnership, in back office team, let's say, And of course, it makes sense. It really reflects on the result of the company, how it works. And many partners who really accept this model, in several months, they become very popular. They become very effective. They become really part of our team, because on the first step, they got first Kickstart support from us. Let's say we can support them on $100 just for 3 clients onboarded for the activation of the IB account. We can support them with the, let's say, $10 for each new client who raise the deposit $100 plus. We can support them with the extra incentive bonuses. It's like a kind of private offers, and they are very individual. But of course, we also open for this. We understand that the partner grows well. He needs support for seminar promotion, or he need to go for the road show somewhere.
Yes.
Or maybe he want to take a flight to our office. We also have the story and speak face to face.
In order to gain confidence in the broker.
Exactly. And sometimes we personally can come to their country and support them by our personal presence, like a top managers, and increase the credibility in the eyes of their traders, because we understand the market can be oversaturated with the other companies.
Yes, it's easy to get swayed by all the other offers.
Exactly. But the main thing, we are proud of, it's not about rebates, structures, or calculation, because in most cases all companies providing this. But we are really proud of our core technology, and very few brokers can tell about this, but we can tell about this normally, because we trying to improve the technical side of referral connection, how cookies work, how your backend core of the code working, because sometimes companies are unstable in this case, because cookie can be erased. That's why referral link will be disappeared. Or otherwise, if in case broker connects referral clients under the IB with the separate trading account, not for the IB, let's say, profile valid, it's one story. But if in case the cookies died, if in case client opened the new account, he will not be able to be under referral.
It will be like...
That's why, try to imagine how many percentage in the industry are missing from the partners.
Yes.
And no one told about this, but we know this problem in the industry, and we understand how to improve it. That's why month by month in our sprint session, our IT guys and affiliate development with the product line, they trying to improve and analyze to avoid this case completely. And this is what we are proud of. That's why no one of the partners never complained for us. Whereas my clients, what's happened with them, and how can I find them? This is also about technology. This is about how car drives, and you can never see what is the engine of the car. However, it can looks brilliant, like Lamborghini or Ferrari, but inside you can see something.
A lot of people actually don't understand, or they don't actually pay attention to this, because they think that broker comes probably equipped with the right technology, but actually there are actually those who don't have the proper support in terms of IT and technology. And it's great to see, to hear, and it's kind of cool for you to actually expose the work that you have behind.
Yes, and we are proud to say about this. Maybe for other colleagues in the industry, it's also be a good point to thinking about, because I know the pain from the partner. They always can tell about these guys. We were having, let's say, specific amount of referrals and community, but sometimes we see that not all of them are under us, or maybe some not account belong to the referral group. And we need to say about it because eMarkets has a really clear mission to be transparent. It's not just the words. This is also about how we deliver this mission inside of technology, not only for the marketing, sales, and business development.
You would notify the partner that these accounts are not under your referral, something like that.
Yes, because if in case we identify that we see UTM or source where client is traced when he registered, and we see that he could use referral link, or we see some kind of phase of the IB code, but we see that the cookie has been died. We automatically or manually connect him again as the partner.
I see.
It's not our interest to take one lead and be very happy. No, we are more happy when our partner is really satisfied.
Yes.
And sometimes when we surprising him with this case, you miss some people, but here they are. This is what really surprises them. This is how like a wow effect. The same effect like you gave me this wonderful T-shirt.
Yes. It's kind of a breach of trust that building.
It's a breach
partners.
of trust, exactly. Yes. And it's not about only communication, it's about real technology as well. This is how we deliver this conception. You asked me about conception. This is how it works in the markets.
It's great to hear. I think it's enough for me to gain confidence if I'm trying to build a partnership program, because a lot of traders in Malaysia, especially oriented towards more of a quick profit, they don't understand. They prefer to have like these crazy bonuses instead of building a healthy and long-lasting partnership with brokers. So I think with you explaining all these details in behind of the vision and philosophy of the IB programs in A-Markets, I hope they can actually open their eyes to build their career on more of a stable path instead of having quick bucks and run, because I've been seeing that a lot in our local trading community, especially in the past 1 year. I think people are getting more greedy, and because of this, a lot of companies and brokers coming to Malaysia, they started to offer some of ridiculous terms towards their partner, and we can see there are some of those that already fail in the past few months. So it's kind of sad, and it's important that we in CTC showing a limelight, showing a spotlight towards A-Markets who offer and stand in behind this kind of philosophy with their partners.
Yes, well, you're absolutely right again, because the situation I'm calling between fair and greedy. So when you identify yourself between those 2 points, you will be definitely on the right way. Because if in case you are really scared and you are fair, you will never be able to get good profit on the market.
Yes.
If you are really greedy, you will be extremely risky, and the market will do his job one day. That's why we always try to educate our partners to let their clients understand more about market, of course. That's why we sometimes restrict them, not restrict, of course, we recommend not to trade, for example, between before news on farm, for example. However, other brokers can use aggressive sales scripts to get more profitability from the client side. In this case, of course, Malaysian and Asian market is quite specific, because people have this emotion, this attitude in their minds, in their DNA, and of course we also respect it. It's just the way how we should calibrate their desires with the market challenging, with the market's factors. That's why we have many instruments for this, for clients and for partners as well. Let's say a little bit about clients' tools, because our section today is for affiliate, but for clients and for partners, it's also very important, because in e-markets we help clients to identify the current trend more clearly, because we have self-made indicator that allows
self-made indicator.
Yes, exactly. And one of them are extremely popular that allows very huge partner and their community to rise several $100K per the period. And by this indicator, you can identify the trend. If it's bearish or bullish, you see the depth of the market and the amount of orders there. So you can see what is the mood of the market right now. And you know the trend has been changed against of the market mood of the main audience. What I mean. Also, maybe you know the leader in terms of technical analysis and indicatory tools of the Chartist. This is the big company who provides.
I think I've heard about this as well.
Yes, and we are really proud to say that we have auto charters in our company, so any client can use it. So it's very good
As long as
technical
you
tools for
open
them.
an account with
They
AMarkets,
should
then you
open
can
an
have
account,
access
yeah,
to
of
it.
course they should make a deposit, but sometimes, we have a good favor, not favor, like a loyalty for our partners. We allow them to make a content based on the auto charted signals,
Oh,
the indicator,
okay.
or they can use widgets. That's why partner have amazing opportunity to use this content and deliver to the Telegram or WhatsApp channel,
Yes,
to
of
the
course.
Facebook. What it means? It means that at the moment they, let's say, have no budget to create their own, let's say, signal infrastructure, or they have no knowledge how to make signal, because you need to identify and technical analysis. Firstly, you should be mature with this. But they have community and people who trust them. That's why AMarkets give it like another gift for the IBs to use this as a tool. And why the signal channels are so popular? The answer is very simple, because once people just see some tweets,
They don't have
when
to
to buy,
think
when to
about
sell,
it.
they do not do nothing, and wow, the signal was correct. They will be extremely happy. That's
Yes.
why if the majority of the successful signals are doing for the long term in the community, of course, clients will be more happy to stay with the signals forever.
Yes.
That's why it's also kickstart support for the partner. He can use the widgets and the signals and implement to the community.
It's kind of a solution as well for, like you say, those who have no ideas how to create contents in order to engage their own community.
Yes.
This is like a cheat code they can use if they're using
It's our
AMarkets.
extra loyalty, let's say.
Yeah.
Of course, it's not like an API integration. They can just copy it and paste, or they just make a widget story, or we know how to help them in this case. Also, sometimes, especially in Middle East, and I hope also in Malaysia, we will have such kind of smart partners who know how to use automatic bot replying in Telegram, who help to give more information to the
Yes.
community, because community can be extremely big. Several K people, several, I don't know, 100K people.
They do have those kind of
Yeah,
moderation and
popular.
team to
Of course, you will not be able to have your own call center
Yeah.
to reply everybody. That's why we can help them integrate special solution just for affiliates to help increase the funnel and the feedback replying for their clients. So it's like a real business, separate business who help broker to
which is going
onboard
to make it
clients
easier
from
for
the
them
partner.
as well, in order to expand and grow if they
you
have that
save your
kind of
costs,
support.
you save your time, and you save your
They
energy.
don't have to hire their own support
Try to
team and
imagine,
everything. Yes.
If you have no Indian guys who can make
Yes.
several amount of calls, they are really big professionals in this
Like
business.
outsourcing your
Yeah, it's
support.
impossible for the one partner.
All right. Those are some great stories, as well as we call sharing session in regards to the ideas behind the programs that you guys have in AMarket. So let's jump into the details.
Alright.
Okay, what are the specialty, or what are the details of the programs that you guys have going on in
Okay,
AMarket?
yeah. So if we are talking about initial steps, so we profile our partner, and once he starts working, it takes him to provide very simple steps to activate his IB remuneration. He just made several deals. Of course, it's better to do one lot and deposit $100 for one of the third clients. 3 clients should fulfill this execution, but sometimes for Asia, we make an exception. We understand that local market, local demands require some other, let's say, deduction in this condition. So we allow them just to collect 3 clients with normal deposit and at least several deals. They are able to withdraw their IB remuneration on the daily basis. Some companies, they can freeze it for the 1 week or for 2 weeks. In this case, we can say that partner, once he had been activated, he can use his IB remuneration every time he wants. Yeah. In this structure, we persuade and offer 3 levels, let's say, in terms of lot volume amount and on the different type of accounts. Because we have a fixed account with the fixed spread, we have standard account. It's a bestseller in our product because it's most popular account with the very lucrative spreads and very lucrative IB remuneration as a comparison. And of course, we have crypto and ECN accounts. On this structure, we offer 3, let's say, levels. It's like a trader way, like an experience way. More lot your clients trade, more level you pretend to get. In simple words, it's a silver, platinum is the final, and the gold is the middle. Yeah. So always we profiling partner, and if in case we understand that he is doing well, sometimes in very specific case we can give him exception to let him jump to another level. But
Oh,
in case he
if-
should perform hard working, because our platinum status is available once the referral group
Reach
achieves
certain
300 lots per month.
Oh, okay.
But in this case, the reward is also high. We pay 15 USD per lot on the fixed account and 9 USD per lot on the standard account of this group. However, spread is very lucrative. It's about only 1.3 pips on the euro dollar on the standard group, and it's only 22 up to 28 pips on the XAO USD. Try to imagine. So it's very lucrative spread for the clients, but it's quite high IB remuneration for the partner. And it's not the end, and of course it's not the end, because once we see how he grows, we can extra support him, let's say with the $10 for each new client. This motivate partner to attract more clients.
Yes.
For example, he is a well doer, he's proactive in the front line, but he cannot convert his clients. That's why our back office team supports him. We provide priority pass for the clients, for the referrals. That's why the conversion of the total team becomes faster. He attracts clients by the product line and creative advertisement. We help them to onboard, to profile, and start trading. This is also like a synergy between partner and company. It's very important. And for each activated client, we provide him extra $10, for example, as also an exception offer. And of course, once partner start achievement pretty interesting and serious levels, we start negotiation some extra offers that can be connected together with the several KPIs like net deposit plus lot volume. And believe me, when the partner attracts, let's say 150 clients or more, he definitely pretends on the really big amount of funds. And this is the way how we profiling our partner and let them understand how much money they will be able to earn if in case they are really professional, they are open-minded, they don't have any hype or scam models just for short-term intermediate profit. We're really trying to find real businessmen in the industry. If they are still not ready, okay, we start from the small steps, but also supporting them. This was your question before, how we profiling newcomers and the seasoned partners. This is the way how we do. And of course, for all of them, our doors are open.
Okay. I think it's pretty clear, especially in terms of the tier. Those kind of information also available on the website, I believe.
Yeah, of course. And moreover, if we are talking about only the plan that change your lot volume rebate, we also, of course, have a product for the multi-level, for the master IBs, because day by
For
day,
the masters IB.
yes,
Okay.
for day by day, I meet people here in Malaysia, in KL, and Selangor, and Suberjaya, and Putrajaya. I have visited many cities, even Malacca. Also, I was there
You went to Malacca?
for the meeting. Yeah, try to
Alright.
imagine. It's a really cool story. That's why we offer MIB services, because it's very popular in Malaysia and Southeast Asia as well. That's why we provide 3 levels. For the first level, it's master, and then we provide 15% and 5% respectively on the level 2 and level 3. So it means that you can collect quite big portion of the revenue share from your partners who drive your business as well. So if in case your level 2 earned $1,000, you will pretend to get easily $150. It's 15%.
Yes, 15%.
Yeah. But of course, the all levels partner have their own 100% commission.
What are the conditions to become a master IB in
It's a good
markets?
question, Boboi, because all we services, we not do it on the right time and immediately. This is the way how we profile in partner. This is the way how we negotiate his plan. We negotiate his targets, of course. We're trying to understand how we can be helpful on the first steps for him and how he is really motivated in his mind to start working. It can be online, guys. It can be offline mentors.
Yes.
In this case, we're also very flexible. I didn't tell you before, but we have CPA model as well. For example,
CPA model.
yes, it's a kind of rare story for the brokers nowadays, because if your CPA program is not well collaborated inside of the product, definitely you will have problem in future, because this business can kill you in terms of CPA. You need to be very careful, very mature. Your system should identify the parameters, how the acquisition executing. That's why we also given it, and our table range is quite flexible. So for those who work like a webmaster, for example, like influencers or YouTube hosts, streamers, or the guys who know how to provide huge marketing campaigns, they know how to generate leads, but they don't care how to speak with them, how to work with them. And we also respect these guys, because this is another segment of affiliate
Yes.
programs. They also can do it. They will get their remuneration one time for each qualified lead with the specific requirements, and then they can go ahead for another lead, and the rest will be done by our team.
Oh, okay. That would make it easier as well for, especially I think there are people who have this platform, they have a lot of followers, but they don't really understand the thing behind trading and how it works with the partner program. So with you guys offering this kind of support would make it easier for them to expand their leads.
Of course, yes, Boboi. And moreover, sometimes I see that at the moment, CPA model as a definition is not popular here. But in the eyes of the guys who have TikTok, who have channels, this is definitely the model they require, but they still don't know about it.
Yes.
That's why we should open their eyes and say, guys, this is the model that can monetize your business very efficiently. But of course, maybe you still don't know about it as a product. That's why we can explain them that your leads, if in case they will be converted, will bring you fast money. Because when we are talking about IBs, it's kind of long distance.
Yes.
You need registration, need to speak personally, need to provide
You need to enter the
signals,
lot and
need
everything.
to onboard them, need to verify and so on. So the conversion can take about, my personal experience, maybe 6 months, maybe 5 months, once your first client from the referral group, from the offline community can be converted. But for those guys who have experience with the traffic, it's almost young guys, young partners who work with the TikTok, like I told before, or other social media.
The new generation,
New
especially.
generation, yes, exactly. That's why this good story for them to get fast money, and they can go ahead with other community, with other lists, with other segments, with other promotional campaigns. That's absolutely good story for Asia because the market depth is very huge.
Yes.
This is a good point for Malaysia and all other Southeast Asia. But in Malaysia, in most cases, because here traders' infrastructure ecosystem for this business is much more comfortable.
And also ensure the relevancy of the business model as well, because the trend that we can see, the new trader actually coming from the TikTok side, it's increasing where they are coming from. It's not where I came from, which is 5 to 6 years ago. In our community in Malaysia, I befriended people who are traders in Facebook, and I do get exposure towards what is trading and what is the industry looks like. But these days, the new generation, they usually comes from the hype, the entertainment side of it, which is TikTok, and they don't actually befriend it with people that have trading background. They just know from an influencer. So this is like a business model that ensures the relevancy of how A-Markets operates, and it's good.
Sure, this is the way how we're trying to be more adapted. It's not only about marketing, it's about real technology.
Yes.
Like last time I said, it's about leverage, conditions, huge amount of assets. We have 8 big groups for FX, commodities, bonds, indexes, crypto, futures, of course. So everything is highly demanded here, and we have meetings with different partners here, Chinese guys as well. You know, they are very professional EA providers, programming guys, and they have very solid questions. That's why they require very exact product idea, and we also know how to work with them. We're trying to do it. This is the way how we've been adapted before, so we know where we are. Also, self-identification is also very important, because many companies before, they came to the Asia and then they weren't able to do nothing because the product cannot be changed according to the local needs, local demands.
It wouldn't be suitable for the local demands.
However, in other countries, it was brilliant, you know.
All right. Okay, so I think that's all that you want to talk about, the structure, especially on how the programs, affiliate program works in A-Markets. Do you have anything else to add on in regards to that details and structure?
Actually, nothing to it. We can just say that let to try, guys, because once you will test it, you will be surprised. Really, it's not just about like we say on blah blah words or rumors.
And you guys are also flexible.
We will prepare individual structure for the all partners with the individual offers. We're trying to avoid useless tools and offers that not relevant for their business model, because you know sometimes brokers can say, we give you anything, just please give us client. How much you need bonuses in order to rise 100k turnover of the lot volume or net deposit. This is not the real story of the business, because partner will never give you the answer on these questions. He is not the Lord, he cannot predict it.
He don't have the power.
But he can make you a good plan, target expectations, and if in case he explain how he will do it, definitely this is our partner, and definitely he will be able to pretend on the premium support on different levels. Sometimes partners are really surprised when they see several $K on their wallet, just because we were trying to make a wow effect for them, to encourage them to shift the expectations. It's true, it's a real story. That's why partners are not leaving us once they are profiling and starting working for the long term.
All right.
Also about success story.
All right, guys, don't just listen. Might as well get involved. Those especially who are currently looking for platform to start their career in affiliate and partnership, use this opportunity to get in touch with AMarkets. Obviously, you can hear from Denis himself all that he said just now. I think it's pretty much even for me. I've been getting in touch with a lot of programs that already developed in Malaysia, and I can say that AMarkets right now is one of the most attractive that can be offered in our local industry right now. So in order to close our section of the segment today about partners and affiliate programs, what are the future planning that you guys have right now? I mean, the future plans.
Every time I'm personally working on the milestones of my roadmap, what to do in terms of business development, in terms of product improvement. And right now we have a big plan to onboard new payment system. Last week I told you that we are on the final step to integrate Touch and Go, Do It Now, and other popular system for deposit
in Malaysia,
besides local bank and virtual account. So today I can tell you definitely it's done. If in case you open Malay version of the cabinet, you will see these facilities for the depositing.
You can deposit using Touch and Go and Do It Now. That's easy.
Exactly. Next step, we will connect FPX system. You know, it's a big processing system for Malaysia. We also right now on the stage of negotiation with the big provider, and I hope maybe next 2 weeks we will be able to announce this case as well. Next point will be virtual account, because right now we're working with the online banking mostly, because online banking is quite popular in Malaysia.
Yes.
It's really good.
Can I ask, other than Malaysia, in your experience, because I've heard this before, that countries outside of Malaysia, they don't usually online banking. Is it true?
Actually, Indonesia used to have it, but right now they have a very big problem in terms of online banking system with the regards to provider who not give them opportunity to make a deposit through the application of the bank.
Yes.
If in case they want to use online banking, they should go to their bank and request for this option as a services. In Indonesia, it's quite wired. That's why Indonesia are more focused on their personal self-made wallets as well. Like Touch and Go, for example, they have OVO, Dana, GoPay.
Oh, like in US, they have Venmo, something like that?
Yeah, correct. Right now, as a trend, I can tell you, as a trend, Indonesia works well with the virtual account system. So it's like a fast account transferring. You don't need to go for the bank online banking to put your bank account number, double confirmation, and so on. So it's more easy and fast. And very soon we will be able to integrate these methods to Malaysia as well. And of course, moreover, without not only the system we also provide debit card processing. We have all crypto gates with the lucrative story for rate, let's say. Also, all our clients who make a deposit, they can see the rate on the real time. Once they click the confirmation on several systems, they can see how much ringgit will be transferred from the account, because all account in USD. For example, they use 100 USD, they will see the rate in real time.
Okay.
Yeah.
I also would like to ask you, since there are some rumors this past week, there are in terms of international market that Southeast Asia is actually looking to join in the bandwagon of converting from USD to Chinese yuan. Do you think that this will actually affect the operation that in general, not just AMarkets or other brokers?
Boboi, I don't think it will be really affecting the industry of the traders because the point you said connects the whole global story. But for traders, I think it will be not a big problem. and it will not affect the, first of all, it not affect the rate between, let's say, EDR or
Is this a
or
matter of
USD.
type of currency?
It's a matter about currency, and this is the matter about how, if in case you will say that the Binance was sued, for example,
Yes.
but every year they have some problem, but
Yeah.
every year they
They still
fix it.
stand strong.
It just make them stronger, you
Yeah.
know, like it was, for example, several weeks before due to the Silicon Valley Bank, due to the USDC. But right now they claim for France regulation, USDT becomes more stronger
Yeah.
on this news. So I don't. This is the wonderful industry, you know. The some
You cannot
negative
really predict,
cases just make them stronger.
Yes.
The same case for the FX industry. I think I'm just thinking only positive in this
Yes.
case. Moreover, also, Bobo, you asked me about what else we are planning to do. At the moment, I'm personally working on the project of the new local depositor system for Malaysian
Local
partners.
depot, okay.
Yeah, at the moment it's also available, and we have already this as a product in the range of IB tools. But right now I'm trying to make it more convenient, more comfortable. It's already available to use LD with the local banking. So for example, if a local depositor top up his account, he can use it easily with the My Bank or CIMB, for example.
Yes.
We give special number, banking account number,
Yes,
and
okay.
the partner will top up money to his account, and they will be activated in his LD dashboard.
Okay.
By clicking internal transfer to his client, funds immediately appear on his referral wallet. And of course, LD can set his own rate. We're not restricting him. We inform him about what rate is currently, for example, USD MRI, so he can do his extra business if he like, if in case he's agreed with the community. But right now I'm plan to do it more comfortable in terms of UI, UX, in terms of internal services, and make it more popular, because I know Malaysia is fully packed with the different local depositors
Yes.
who loves this business.
Yes.
It's also about local mentality, and definitely, no doubts, guys, we will do it very soon with the much more interesting usage, more
Alright.
comfortable usage. Yeah.
Great to hear that. I think for as long as I've been involved in the local financial industry trading, financial instrument trading in Malaysia, I've been using local depositor. Actually, it's very easy. You have people that you can actually get in touch with. I think that's one of the attraction why Malaysians like to prefer local depositor.
By the way, Bobo, may I ask you now?
Okay,
you asking
yeah,
me?
sure.
May I ask you now? Why?
We've been asking a lot
Yeah,
of questions
it's
today.
a friendship conversation.
Okay. All right.
Not questionnaire. By the way, can you tell me why LD business so popular in Southeast Asia, especially in Malaysia and Indonesia? It's what cost for this?
I think,
People don't trust payment system, or they trust for their leaders. That's why they're using it.
I couldn't say for everyone, but
Yeah.
at least for me and the people that are close to me, they have this kind of trust. When you have local depositor and you know the person in charge of the local depositor operation, and we can somewhat trust him for your flow of money in depositing and everything. And there's also a mentality of supporting your
Nice.
local guy.
Yeah.
Plus, most of the local depositors in Malaysia, they do offer other kind of promotion as well if you use their services. So might as well get into that.
Okay, suppose they
Promotion as
provide, let's say, package of services. If in case you deposit through me,
Yes.
let's say signal, support, promotion, better bonuses,
Yes.
good rate, for example. Yeah.
And the one that I've been using before, if you deposit it with him, you have the chance to join a separate lucky draw program. So it's like, yeah, I want to do deposit and might as well get this chance to win something, right? So it's kind of those kind of attraction as well for using local depositor.
Okay, I see. Cool. Yeah. That's why we are definitely on the right way.
Yes, of
LD
course.
have good future.
Yeah. All
I
right.
hope people will test it very soon.
Yes. If you guys already registered with AMarkets, yes, like Dennis said just now, you have a lot of choices and options to do the deposit. And I am very impressed that you can also use Touch and Go and also do it now, which is kind of rare as well. But if you opt for local depot and AMarkets already have it in operation as well, okay? And moving on from our main topic, before that, I would like to read some of the comments that we have here today.
Oh, really?
All right, so we have Eza Mikhail, hopefully AMarket not like other brokers. Of course, if you can hear from all that we've talked about today, as well as from our first episode. If you're not confident enough, I'm not sure what to say to you. It's already good. It's already full of information that can make me, as a trader, feel believe and confident in A markets. All the instruments, all the services, and especially the support that A markets actually provided. Okay, if you still if you still have doubts, might as well give it a try. We have the links in the description.
You can contact me directly, guys.
Yes, you can even contact Dennis directly on Facebook.
We are open-minded and transparent. This is what aparts us.
This is the main philosophy of A markets: transparent and open. Okay, and then we have also some of our friends here. Slavic Nask, you said A market flexible and you can provide promotion for partners and clients. What is it? Could you please show some examples of it? I think you pretty much touched on it as well.
Of course, we have a big amount of promotion. For example, right now, as we tell about Ramadan competition, it's a really exclusive, unique contest that runs since last Thursday, 1 week today. It's our first milestone. And if in case you open the rating, you will see first people already trying to do their best to increase their profitability and percentage to their equity. And I hope after this session in CTC Radio, we will be able to get more participants, because guys, believe me, the celebration and the ceremony of ours will be really exciting here in Malaysia.
Yes.
We will unite all the winners together. This is the answer on the question about our transparency and our safety. It will be a public story.
I'm seeing the leaderboard right here right now. We have a lot of people competing right now. And if you guys join Ramadan contest with A markets, you can see the leaderboard in order to plan to plan your strategy, how you want to do this contest.
Of course, we also have right now a raffle, spring raffle for the gold. We have
spring
promotion
raffle,
for the gold. So we have prize fund, $16,000, real story, with the gold obscene. So the winner will be able to get these prizes. You can also find this information on our website in promotions. Also kind of good and impressive promotion, because gold is very popular as an instrument to trade, not only in Southeast Asia but globally. So that's why we're trying to dedicate our competition closer to the best preferences of the traders. For the partners also, we plan to prepare a big competition in future. We just planning it. But meanwhile, we can say that if partner wants to conduct his personal customized competition only for his referrals, we also can do it. It's also part of our technological side as a tool to support partner. For example, Boboi, you are the partner, you have community 1K people. You can customize your landing page with your logo, with your condition. We provide you with the budget, we provide you with the core and backend to control the results of the people. And then winner will get real prize, or they can get any other, like a merch, anything. So this is also a good instrument to increase retention and increase the loyalty of the community inside. So if you are not my client, you will not be able to participate. This is the way how a partner can treat this information and as a result increase the amount of his referrals.
Yes.
Also quite good practice in other countries that we are using.
Yes, I think that probably answers the question from Slavic, which is the kind of things that you can help with partners and client. I think it's pretty much clear, and you can use this opportunity as well to start your partner career with A markets. Okay. And then we have Android Game Lens. A great show. Thanks for the information. Thank you for watching. We have Alexander. Your explanation helped to better understand this industry. Yes, of course, we have Dennis over here being open. We A markets don't have anything to hide. You have probably being open to any of your questions and how the broker actually operates. Yes. We hope that the information that we shared today actually help you guys better understand the industry. And then we have drone footage. He said, hello everyone who else is watching this live stream. Thank you actually for tuning in. And then we have some person which I cannot actually say his name because I cannot actually read Russian actually. But
Russian friends maybe.
Russian friends maybe said, yeah, bro. And then we have others as well. I like how you present this information. Thank you. And we have also Asia traders. It's great to hear from A Market. So thank you again, guys, for tuning in today. Thank you for watching this segment. Make sure you guys share this segment, subscribe to our channel, and if you are interested in joining the Ramadan contest that is actually still going on, we have another 2 to 3 weeks, I believe.
Yeah, of course. It lasts during the whole period of the Ramadan.
During the whole period of
During
Ramadan,
this
we have like
holy season.
yes, we have another 3 weeks of Ramadan. So make sure to get in that action. We have the link provided in the description as well as on top of the comment section. Do click it. And if you have more questions in regards to the affiliate program, we do also have the links directly. You can learn more about it on the landing page. All right, so moving on from that, if you guys have any more questions, do keep the comment section going. And if you have difficulties in commenting in English, you can type in bahasa Malaysia. Boleh type dalam bahasa Malaysia right away. Saya akan cuba translatekan untuk anda dan kita cuba dapatkan jawapan bersama-sama. Okay, so moving on from that section of the segment, I actually didn't realize we already hit 4:55 p.m.
As usual.
Then as usual. So,
Speaking with you, it's also a good time spending. You know.
Thank you.
Time is run.
Thank you, Dennis. But it's okay. We can extend a little bit. Let's talk about some of the other things that you guys have going on in A Markets as well, which is other than the IB and affiliate programs, and for those who actually just trade. In general, just a trader who have not really have the intentions going into the partner affiliate programs. Let's talk about the product and services that A Markets have for them, the general trader.
Sure. First of all, of course, we are focusing on the main value of the trading in the eyes of the trader. It's his profit, yeah? In simple words, why they came in the market. How to gain this profit with the understanding of how market works, with understanding of the risk management, and with the understanding how broker can support you during his trading. With all these parameters, we are proud to say that we can satisfy their needs. For example, if in case the newcomer, they can start from $100. Of course, we allow to make a deposit with the less amount, but we highly recommend to use not less than 100, because otherwise you will be able to get high leverage and you will be able to get more risks. That's why it's a good balance between risk management and the equity on the beginning you have. So, of course, payment system. At the moment, like I told you before, we provide absolutely all system for convenient deposit and withdrawal for our clients. If we're talking about product, we can say about our high execution on the ECN account and standard account and fixed. It's goes on the 0.03 seconds, and of course, spread is quite lucrative in terms of major pairs like euro dollar. You know. It's about 1.4, I told you before, and the XAU USD also have lucrative condition. Of course, the leverage makes sense. In our company, we offer 1 to 3,000 leverage for those who start with the equity up to $1,000. And of course, according to the risk management, it will be decreased portionally according to your equity balance. But in general, for the professional traders and newcomers, it's more than enough, because many partners say, Dennis, this is the point we allow to start with the markets because of this condition, because Asian people love to trade with the quite high leverage. But of course, we trying to educate them and be careful in this case. It also makes sense. Of course, loyalty program. We have a quite unique product, by the way. It's called our cashback loyalty program. It means that more lot you trade, more tradable bonus, floating bonus, you can earn. You can pretend it's up to $17 per lot on the highest level. We have 5 levels. That's why we support pure trading. We not provide very high risky tradable bonuses, because you know industry is oversaturated with these offers, and sometimes it can be really dangerous for the partner reputation firstly, or for the client's risk management. And in this case, he will be able to go to some forums and say negative words. However, it was his risk. He didn't clearly understand how it works. That's why we never give it on the higher level. We give 15%, let's say 17%. It will be more than enough not to abuse company rules, not to use bonus balance trading arbitrage system, between two brokers. We also have this experience. That's why we protect clients firstly from themselves. And what regardless the other product we can say about technical analysis tools, of course, we have our fresh daily signals. We have our channel in English version, and very soon it will be done on the Bahasa as well. Trading ideas of markets, where people can see real-time signals dedicated to their trading made by our professionals. Also, I told before about our self-made indicators and our after charts as a services. And in the future, we also have many plans to change our VIP program as well. It will be our next milestone as well. But of course, we understand that the speed of withdrawal, it's, I think, the most popular question, how fast you are withdrawal. Just try, guys. What can
Just try first.
Yeah, of course, because I can tell you definitely if in case you have normal KYC, by the way, we have a request only for the one documentation. It's one of the easiest KYC system in the brokerage industry. It's friendly to use. It just required your national IC. Just make a scan or make a selfie with this, and it will be done. Automatic system, by the way, it's not manual. This is what we are proud of. This is why verification system goes quite fast, and withdrawal goes time by time. It can start only from 1 minute, or maybe 6 minutes, or 15 minutes, depends on the internal cases or capacity of our payment provider. Because from e-markets company deducted very fast. We never restrict or stop it.
The approval part of it is fast, but in terms of the method,
sometimes we have cases when the payment provider have some maintenance, but of course we inform them about it in advance. It's absolutely normal practice, but it can maybe get some bigger delay, maybe 30 minutes or 1 hour. But of course we are always in touch with all the clients. We explain to them or shift the expectation, because many clients said that we had one of the fastest withdrawal, but because they were lucky. But in some cases we asking them to be patient, but it's within normal understanding according to the withdrawal periods in the industry. So actually I think it's more than enough for the clients to start their trading, their journey, or increase their experience. So
enough to convince them actually to start with
I think it's more than enough.
It's more than enough actually. I guess if you have a very diluted market like here in Malaysia, there are a lot of new brokers popping up, and there are also a lot of not so good news in terms of those company and brokers that have been operating for quite some time as well. I think the things that you've shared about A-markets, all the stuff that A-markets are currently stand behind, all your philosophies and what do you guys have as a vision and mission, it's more than enough to actually convince me to start trading with A-market. So I hope for that as well, for our viewers and audience, especially newbies who actually just, might heard trading for the first time from this segment, might as well use this as an opportunity.
Join us, guys. Just like a try. You remember we have a limited version of the gift cards, like we released before for the Boboi especially. I hope you released it to your trusted community in future. By the way, we have wonderful feedback. We already have many people who were successful in withdrawal of the profit. That's why the people start trading and reinvesting. This is the result of this product. You see, satisfied traders, successful traders, partners are happy that they use it. And of course, we are also happy we see turnover. This is the way how we earn money. We're also transparent in this way.
All right. So we are actually now reaching the end of our segment. As usual, if you guys only recently tuned in, you can also rewatch the whole segment from the beginning at our channel in YouTube. So you don't have to worry about that. If you missed the whole live segment, you can always watch it again. As well as our first episode last week, we have it available in our YouTube channel as well as our website. So to end the segment today, Denis, you have anything else to add on?
I just wish the good continuing of the holy season of the Ramadan for the all Malaysian traders and their families, and hope to see you soon, guys, in our family, in our community.
Yes.
We have many surprises for this year for Malaysia.
All right. Right, okay, so thank you guys again for tuning
Thank you.
in, and
Terima
make
kasih.
sure to tune in again next week where we have another segment of Trade Talk episode 3, and let's look forward to our guests as well for next week. And if you guys have anything else to ask, want to learn more about A-Market, do click the links in the description, as well as especially the Ramadan contest that is still going on. Take this
Yeah,
opportunity
correct.
to win some duit raya, guys. Use it and win. Join the contest and win some duit raya. Okay. So that's all from us today. For our Muslim friends, selamat berbuka. And as well as for all of you guys, thank you again for tuning in.